Hey Drop Tech family, if you've been eagerly waiting for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, here's something fun that might just surprise you. You can actually buy one already. Well, kind of. Now, before you get too excited, let me explain. The official Galaxy Z Fold 7 hasn't launched yet, but there's a decorative version already floating around online. Over on AliExpress, a seller is offering what they're calling a model machine of the Fold 7. In simple words, it's a dummy unit. That means it doesn't work, doesn't have any real features, and doesn't even come with a Samsung logo. But despite all that, it still gives us a good first look at what Samsung's next big foldable might look like. From the outside, it might remind you of the Galaxy Z Fold SE. But take a closer look, especially around the camera area, and you'll notice some clear changes. One of the first things to catch your eye is the big camera bump. And the reason behind that? The Fold 7 is expected to be incredibly thin. Just to give you an idea, the Z Fold SE is already 4.9mm thick when fully unfolded. Now imagine, the Fold 7 will be even slimmer than that. That's pretty crazy for a phone that folds. But this ultra-thin design comes with a cost. Samsung is reportedly not changing the battery size again. That would make it the 5th year in a row with no major battery upgrade in the Fold series. So instead of improving battery life, the focus seems to be on making the phone lighter and easier to carry. Now let's talk about the actual launch. Samsung is expected to reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on July 9th, and it's bringing a bunch of other new gadgets along with it. That includes the Galaxy Z Flip 7, a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip FE, the Galaxy Watch 8 series with the Classic and the new Watch Ultra 2, and even a fresh pair of budget-friendly Galaxy Buds. If Samsung sticks to its usual release timeline, we can expect the Fold 7 to hit stores around 2 weeks after that event, so likely in late July. But until then, all we've got are leaks, rumors, and these dummy units. Even though the dummy model can't do anything, it still gives us something useful. It lets us check out the overall look and feel of the phone and compare it to the leaks we've seen. The slim profile, the new camera shape, even the hinge, all of it lines up pretty well with what insiders have been saying. And it tells us something interesting about Samsung's strategy. By making the Fold 7 thinner and lighter, they're trying to appeal to a wider range of people, not just hardcore tech fans. It's about creating a foldable phone that feels good in the hand, slips easily into a pocket, and works for everyday life. That could help make foldables more mainstream than ever. Of course, we still don't know all the details. Samsung hasn't revealed anything about the internal specs yet, but based on past trends, we can expect the latest Snapdragon chip, likely better cameras, and software enhancements designed for multitasking and productivity. Still, the battery might remain a weak spot, so if you're someone who needs long battery life, that's something you'll want to keep in mind. All that said, the excitement around the Fold 7 is already building fast. The fact that people are buying dummy units just to get a look says a lot. Everyone wants to see what Samsung is up to, and that July 9th event should give us the full picture. So whether you're holding out for the official release or just following all the early leaks, one thing's for sure. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already making waves. Stick around here at Drop Tech for more updates, news, and hands-on videos as soon as the launch happens.